Problem 1. Akira lit 5 candles all at the same time. They stopped burning at different times and now look as shown in the picture. Which candle stopped burning first? The trick for this question is the longest candle stopped burning first. So which is the longest in here? Option D. So our answer is option D. The D is the candle who stopped burning first, and then B, and then C, then A and E. Problem 2. The two kangaroo coins with the question mark have the same value. What is this value? These are our options. So let's add whatever is visible to us. So we have 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 1, 41. And here we have 51. So we minus 51 minus 41 gives us 10. Now we have to find the value for this question mark. So we have two coins. So let's equally distribute 10 and we get 5. So it is 5 plus 5. And our answer is option C. Problem 3. In the figure, the dark gray disc with two holes is put on a clock face and is turned around its center. What two numbers is it possible to see at the same time? So this is our clock and this is the disc put on it and it's being rotated. So when it's being put on, the number visible is 1 and 5. Let's find the proportion for it. So we have 1, 2, 3 numbers in between. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in between these two numbers. Now whenever we rotate, this proportion will remain same. So let's go to option A. 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 numbers between is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not an option. We need a proportion for 7 and 3. 10 and 2. So we have 10 and 2. So we 1, 2, 3 and so this is proportion. So if it's 3, then other one is 7. So this could be our answer. Let's check other options. 5 and 10. So we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 3 in between. So this is not our answer. 6 and 9. So 6 and 9, 2. Not possible. 7 and 12. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 3 or 7 in between. So this is not our answer. So our answer is option B, 10 and 2. We are to our next problem. If you find these videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Your support encourages me to create more solution videos for you. Now let's dive into our next challenge. Problem 4. Alice has 4 puzzle pieces. Which two pieces can she put together to form this square? Pieces can be rotated. These are our options. So we want to make a square using these pieces. So we have these pieces and we have to form a square. So let's see, check 1. So the 1 shows on the top this size. So it could be merging with 2 or 4. That could not be possible because we need it to be cut out from here. Let's try 4. So we have 4 that could fit in here and then it goes inside and this is, so I think for number 1 it is 4. Let's try with 3. Can 3 fit in here? No, this needs to be an extra and that needs to cut in here. So we need to have this piece, small cut piece from here. So our answer is option C, 1 and 4. Problem 5. Holger continues the empty cells of the table using the numbers up to 50 in the same way at the first 22 numbers. Which piece can he cut from the table? So he cuts from 22 and we have to find out what comes underneath. So we say 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 32 comes here and comes 33. So let's see how much matches with this. So this is out, this is out. So we have 3 options left. Then comes 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43 here. Looks like option C is our answer. Problem 6. Christopher folds the transparent paper along the dash line. What can he then see? So this is the paper, it's being folded from top to bottom. So this thing overlaps here. So let's see which number it forms. So we see that this one comes here. This one is starting here and goes this way. This one is here and this comes here. So we make it 406 and this is our option E. That's our answer. Great. Let's move on to the next challenge. Problem 7. Anna has 4 discs of different sizes. She wants to build a tower of 3 discs so that every disc is smaller than the disc immediately below it. How many different towers can Anna make? These are our options. Anna has 4 discs of different sizes and wants to build a 3-disc tower, with each disc smaller than the one below it. Since the order is fixed, largest at the bottom and the smallest, we only need to count how many ways we can choose 3 discs from 4. Let's break it down step by step. Now we will count the possible selection. Before that, let's mark our disc. So largest we will mark as 1, then the orange 2, 3, and the smallest 4. We leave out disc 1. So what kind of tower we can build? We can build using 2, 3, and 4. Then second, we'll leave out disc 2. We will use 1, 3, and 4. We will leave out disc 3. We'll use 1, 2, and 4. We will leave out disc 4 now and we will use 1, 2, 3. So these are the possible options we have. So these are the possible 4 ways we can build a tower if we remove one of the discs. So our answer is option C, 4. Problem 8. Danny glued 2 pieces of paper, this and this, on top of the black circle. What can he not obtain? So let's go step by step, looking and observing each and every options. So option A. So we have this circle and that is the one piece we put it on and that's a darker semicircle. Yes, this is possible. We have semicircle, we put on the circle and this is basically half of it. So yes, this is possible as well. Option C, half of the gray circle and that one piece. This is possible. We see here we have half of it and so this is how the gray one, dark gray one looks like, and this is one. This is also possible. Option E, we have half in here and this is either it should go like this or it should go like this. So this should be gray. So this is not possible. So our answer is option E. That wraps up part A of the first 8 questions from the 2023 Math Kangaroo for grade 3 and 4. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a new challenge. Keep the puzzle solving adventure going. Watch part B for more 2023 grade 3 and 4 problems. See you there. Bye.